What's up, guys? So this is my brand new alarm clock that I got from Amazon today because my other one, which is the Emerson Smartset, actually moved to another room. So that's actually why this is my new alarm clock to replace that. So not only that, this actually has like a better reviews than the one at Walmart, which is the Emerson one. So that alarm clock is probably cheap. So this is the one I got, which has a projector as well. So let's get into it. There you have it. This is what it comes to. See you next video after this, guys.